Poor naive way. What a fool he is. Guess I'll take this way. Why the hell not? That is a long ways away. I sure hope I fucking make it. I really don't like playing music.
Coming up next on Boozy.
I thought it said my shorty. I was like, alright, here we go. Got music? Anybody? Ninja Tune Radio. Wait, I've actively gotten farther away. What the fuck? Am I gonna be able to make this? Did I take like a wrong turn or something? Jesus Christ, I hope I can fucking do this. That's gonna make it harder. Oh, please, Way, get up. Please don't run me over. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking... What is the Frank Ocean album? The car from the Frank Ocean album. Nostalgia Ultra? Nostalgia 64? I'm not gonna make this. There's no point. I should just give up right now. I'm just gonna give up right now. I give up. I'm never gonna make it. No, never give up. Wow, that car actually is just the car. It's orange. I mean, it looks like the car and it's orange. Never give up. I don't. Is this? No. Never give up. Never give up. Got this. There's no way I don't got this. Oh, there's the whole thing that I need for the upgrade. No, but I can't give up. Okay, yeah, we got this. See? Told you I never give up. Oh, please don't fucking hit me now. Oh no. Is this one? Yeah, where it's over here. See, it tricks you like that. Wait, please. Wait, please turn around faster than not at all. Wait. Okay, I'm here.
Son of a bitch! Hey, boys, this is the fucker who's been trashing our cars.
The fucker. Young fucker on the beat.
You're not seriously going to try something, are you?
I'm trying it.
Are you
Here
an
I go
idiot?
trying. What is my frames doing? Frames, stop. Wow, it suddenly became bright as shit. Frames, chill out. Frames, let's talk about this. What is going on? This is not 50 frames. I feel like it's half the frames that it actually says it is. And also, why are you not just 60 frames? I'm really confused. I feel like something's going on in the background that's fucking me up. Whatever. Tiger Slap, get the fuck out of here. Okay, this is really off-putting. I'm just getting my ass beat because I'm focused on these fucking frames. Get out of here, my frames!
Learn from this.
This'll learn you. Alright, it was just sort of that fight. No, maybe it wasn't. Maybe it's this area. I don't know. Can I have another one? SpongeBob. Another one? Nope. Okay, alright. Can you just hit it? Because I don't have another one. Or are you telling me to get another one? Okay, no, there we go. And I would call that not worth it, but I'm still glad I did it. Okay, frames are sort of better now, kind of, almost. Let me save after all this, by the way. After all this shit. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, how the hell did we end up over here? This is one I've done before. Wait a second, what? Okay, wait, no. We were over here. Alright, gotcha, that makes more sense. There's still no fucking shirts anywhere near here. Let me try it. No, that's still the shitty part of town. Wow, look at all these things that unlocked. Okay, that's one I've definitely done. I've definitely done that one. Literally just did that one. Is there only 3? Huh. There might be. In which case I've done it all. Yes, sir, I've done it all.
CSX is here.
Hey there, just the taxi I was looking for. You are driving away from me, you son of a bitch. I hate you.
Then tragedy struck. Peter
Stop.
the Pig left home.
Peter the Pig? Anybody but Peter the Pig? Alright, we want to go to the slightly fancier side of town. Like, why not right here? I'm still not gonna have enough, am I? Nah, I totally should, right? I should. If the world were mine, I would.
These are the latest.
Well, let's see here. Watches. Which I already have. Oh, nice.
Thanks. Come again.
Okay, cool. I can't get all these. Melee damage, police bonus stuff, who cares? Drive the ladies wild. Level 7 required.
Can I interest you in some
Ladies
better clothes?
Wild. And bonus, sure. Why not one of these?
Come again. You think?
You think? Did
Thank
you
you,
die?
sir.
Takes guts to wear that. Yeah, fuck you. I know what you say. Alright, let's try the next one. I want something new that gives face, which I actually pick up from this one, but I want more. Now that's the, like, soup shop. I want the soup store. Let's go here. I'm at the soup store. This is sort of the same tech deal, which means that I should be able to buy it. I want a big-ass, dumbass chain. Fuck you. Let's see. Chains. Fucking son of a bitch. Turn around, way.
I see the gentleman has good taste.
No, not that one. Sure.
A perfect choice. Are you partial to a particular brand, sir?
Partial. Oh, I can just press tab. How fucking incredibly... Why? Oh, that said Wi-Fi storage. I was like, what? I need a physical thing for that. Let's try this one next. Let's try getting a fucking car next. I will just run there. I will not stop for anything less than a taxi. I lied, I'm gonna stop for you. Never mind, you're getting away. Escape the fate of waste. No, I need you. Fuck. He was ready for me. Alright, I am stopping for you. Oh well, fuck it. He's right over here. We're gonna get, I was about to say, they're gonna get the fucking green light. Alright, stop there, you nostalgia ultra fucking taxi ass bitch. Get over here. Take me to the river. I sure hope it doesn't force this mission upon me.
Can you help me out?
Not before I shop, I can. Yes, please get directly in my way. Oh my god, way.
I recognize it from the catalog. Want some clothes?
Let's see here. These are... Is this the same? This is a different place. Minor Thug. Triad.
These are the latest. Perfect for you.
Ooh, melee damage. Melee damage. Ooh, these are kind of cool. Kind of, in a way that they're not cool. Sure, let's do it.
Thanks. Come again.
What a weird I fucking hate this outfit. Hang on, I need to buy something else now. Pants, please. Sure.
Thanks. Come again.
That kind of works. It looks awful, but it kind of works. Yeah, it does take place to wear this, but it's the best I can do.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey,
This guy be moving in on my girl. Problem is, this guy's connected with some big shots. Otherwise, I would just fucking kill him.
Okay.
He hangs out by the bus depot, doing all kinds of illegal shit. I figure, if the cops happens to be there, he would have other things to worry about than my girl.
Sure, why not?
Some cops on my tail. Well, might as well just steal a fucking cop car. See ya later, officer. Handy that there is one down the street for just such an occasion. Oh my god. Hey, wait a second. Isn't this Roland's? This is literally Roland's depot. Okay, this is a bad idea. See ya later, fellas. Yeah, no, Roland literally lives there, so... Hey. Look, I might be being chased by the cops, but, still got time to fucking rob you, yeah. Nice job matching your shirt to your car, Nick. Oh. Swift turnaround. See you later. I'm invincible. I'll never go to jail, bitch. I am the jail. Incredible. Anything around here? This one's like annoying to get to because you can't go to it with like a taxi effect. So might as well hit this one up too. Oh, you fucking invincible. Get the hell out of here. Or no, wait, the taxi takes you back here when it's at the front. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, this is like the fourth store that's exactly this one, so hopefully this will have something good. Look, I'll have you know I've got 4 phase. Nope.
You look very
I
proper.
think this is...
We're happy to serve you. A reasonable choice.
These are kind of cool, but they don't give face bonus, so no thanks. These also sort of fit in with the whole...
We're happy to
aesthetic.
serve you.
Ooh. Ooh, I like this. What the fuck? I've never seen this before. Ew. Sure, let's do... this one.
Our prices are excellent. You won't find real brand
is,
names for any less.
What's that?
My humble
Oh
shop
my god.
thanks you for your incredible business.
They still hate me. The people still hate me.